Welcome to the world of Trackmaster. Thomas is on a quest to find the crown. Watch out for the missing track.
Wow!
It's his biggest adventure yet. Not even a crashing gate can stop Thomas.
That was close!
He's going off the edge. Oh no! Thomas did it!
Wow.
He found the crown!
Yeah.
Thomas's Trackmaster Castle Quest comes with everything you see here.
Go, go, Thomas! Go, go!
I love how excited he was.
He likes Thomas, so we keep coming back.
Parking lot, we could hear the whistle, and he was just so excited.
He loves trains, period, but Thomas is, of course, the best.
It's a good family outing for us.
When you take your kids to an all-inclusive Hard Rock hotel, you give them more than crystal blue waters. They get to hang out with their favorite friends, with daily activities, games, dance classes, and crafts, all included. And nothing rocks more than when these stars take the stage in a sing and dance along live show. They're the Little Big Club, exclusively at all-inclusive Hard Rock hotels in Mexico and the Dominican Republic, where every little rock star deserves a big stage. Book your family vacation today.